Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 6i, and today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot without using physical keys. It's called the gesture screenshot. So on this phone we got this gesture with 3 fingers. We have to swipe like that. As you can see, when you make it for the first time, you will get that kind of the notification, but take a look. You have to swipe and hold a little bit, and when you take a screenshot you can open it. It will pop on your screen, so you can change theme of it, change size, you can draw something, you can send or just save by tapping on the right upper corner, and take a look how the gesture looks. That's it. And if you want to activate this gesture, you have to go for the settings, go for the configuration tools, find gesture and emotions, and you have to enable this option, gesture screenshot. After that, when you make this gesture, the screenshot will be taken, so you can capture any screen that you have on your phone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.